My Peggy's Face, My Peggy's Form by Robert Burns. My Peggy's face, my Peggy's form, the frost of hermitage might warm. My Peggy's worth, my Peggy's mind, might charm the thirst of humankind. I love my Peggy's angel air, her face so truly heavenly fair, her native grace so void of art, but I adore my Peggy's heart. The lilies hue, the roses dye, the kindling lustre of an eye. Who but owns their magic sway? Who but knows they all decay? The tender thrill, the pitying tear, the generous purpose nobly dear, the gentle look that rage disarms, these are all immortal charms. The song was written in 1787, yet never published from then until now with the tunes Burns wrote it to. So he wrote to Margaret Chalmers, Peggy Chalmers, for whom he wrote it, November of 1787. We know that he intended it to be set, quote, to an old Highland air in Daniel Dow's collection of ancient Scots music. The name is Chaillich Air Mo Dheidh, which is Gaelic for the old woman haunts after me. Dow's collection is called Ancient Scots Music. It's online at wirestrungharp.com, that collection. So he sent the song to his publisher at the same time, Scots Musical Museum, but Peggy objected to the publicity. Burns actually proposed marriage to her. He was quite taken with her, and she told a friend that he proposed to her. But she was engaged to someone else, did not want the publicity, and so this was not published for 15 years. It was published in the Scots Musical Museum, Volume 6, number 501, after Burns's death. But they had lost track of this melody, set it to a different one, which has not interested people, and so people just really don't know this song. So that's the first publication of the tune there. It'll be in my book when I publish eventually. But here it is for you to learn. Hope you enjoyed it. I love that he says all these frail mortal moments are immortal charms. That contrast between the fleeting and the eternal that we do feel when we are touched by love. Be well.